Welcome to this guide on how to efficiently search for documents in Google Drive on your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you often find yourself sifting through countless files, this streamlined process will help you locate what you need in no time. First, open your browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing in drive.google.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by your Drive interface, where all your files and folders are organized. Next, look for the search bar at the top of the page. To access advanced search options, click on the advanced search icon, which is represented by a downward arrow or a funnel icon. This feature allows you to refine your search criteria significantly. Now, in the advanced search menu, you'll notice various filters. From the Type drop-down menu, select Documents. This will ensure that your search results are narrowed down exclusively to document files, such as Google Docs or Microsoft Word files. After setting your filters, enter any keywords related to the documents you're looking for in the search box. This could be part of the document title or specific phrases contained within the document itself. Google Drive's powerful search algorithm will begin to suggest potential matches as you type. Finally, click on the Search button to see the results. You will now find a list of documents that meet your specified criteria. Browse through these results to find exactly what you need. If necessary, you can adjust your filters and refine your search further until you locate the desired document. With these simple steps, searching for documents in Google Drive has never been easier. Take advantage of these advanced features to save time and enhance your productivity. Happy searching!